Hi, this is Dan Krause from Krause Estate Planning and Elder Law Center. I'm an attorney. I practice in Wisconsin, and I'm also licensed in Illinois and Minnesota. And I talk about estate planning and elder law and probate because that's what I do. I've been doing it for about 23 years. And if you have questions about estate planning, elder law, and probate, we'd love if you give us a call, 608-268-5751. We are in Wisconsin in the Brookfield area, as well as Madison and Oregon, Wisconsin. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about just the problems that can happen if you don't do estate planning. Depending on your situation, there are things that estate planning can fix and even avoid problems after death that you may never have thought of. Just this last week, I met with a family, wonderful people, and they hadn't done any estate planning. They was a couple, been married for many years. They have a couple of adult children. Um, but one thing that they had not considered was that the fact that they had some other children that were estranged. Specifically, the father had a child that he had not heard from for at least 50 years. This is something that you really need to be aware of in estate planning. If you have some situation like this, if you have no plan, or even if you have a will-based plan that's going to go through probate, the issue is that that person is going to have to be found and notified, and in some cases, given assets from your estate, even though you don't consider them to be part of your family. They've been estranged for so many years. In order to make sure that they don't get any notice or they're not really even involved after your death, you need to do a trust or some other way of avoiding probate. Generally, revocable living trusts do not have to be notified. The next of kin does not have to be notified. Also, in order to make sure that your spouse gets everything at your death, if you do have any non-marital children, you just really got to make sure that you do a trust, some sort of planning, or your spouse is going to have to split everything with your children at your death. So just a couple of things, do estate planning, get it done. Once it's written down, that's what's going to happen as long as you do it properly and in a legal fashion. Trusts are better than wills. Wills are better than nothing, and nothing is generally not very good. So we'll be happy to help you and your family get estate planning done, protect assets from taxes, predators, creditors, and the huge cost of nursing facilities. Please give us a call if you have any of these worries. 608-268-5751. Thanks for listening, and I hope to talk to you soon.